Diving into 2024 headfirst. If you want to make it big, this video will provide you some next level tactics that will catapult you to stellar heights. Here are 3 points to change your life, tailor-made to 2024. And trust me, the last one is a total curveball you won't see coming. So let's dive in. Leverage AI through prompt engineering. Artificial intelligence, AI, has deeply integrated into various aspects of life and work. Mastering prompt engineering, the skill of creating effective AI prompts, is crucial whether you're an entrepreneur, artist, or problem solver. Prompt engineering can lead to innovative solutions and efficiency. It allows you to guide AI tools to produce desired results, ranging from automating tasks to generating creative ideas. But for this to work, the next point is important, which is prioritizing coding skills. In our digital age, coding is not just for tech professionals but is a universal skill. In 2024, understanding coding can open many doors. Learning and practicing coding, regardless of your field, enhances career prospects. It enables you to create tools, automate processes, and analyze data, making it an indispensable skill. Now, nothing mentioned till now will work if you don't follow this third point. It's fostering deep focus amidst distractions. Our world is full of distractions such as social media and constant notifications. The ability to maintain focus will be invaluable in 2024. Cultivating this skill sets you apart, allowing for deeper thinking and improved productivity. Establish a disciplined routine, practice mindfulness, and use technology to limit distractions. Now, as a bonus tip, here is what you do. List down skills to excel you need to make 2024 a successful year. Subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.